Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can pay the CRA with TD Online Banking. In order to do so, here we are at td.com. And the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you're logged into EasyWeb. But let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI in order to find out how we can pay the CRA with TD Online Banking. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time, gives you access to the top AI chat models that are out there. And according to Cider, paying the Canada Revenue Service, the CRA, through TD Online Banking is quite straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log in to TD Online Banking, visit your TD account and sign in with your username and password. Navigate to the Pay Bills or Bill Payments section. Select Pay a New Payee. Search for CRA or Canada Revenue Agency. If not listed, choose Add a Custom Payee and enter the CRA's details. Payee name is the Canada Revenue Agency. Your CRA business number or individual account number can be found on your notice of assessment or tax return. Make the payment, choose the CRA payee from your saved payees, enter the payment amount, select the account from which you would like to pay, then confirm the details, then finalize the payment. Submit the payment, save or print the confirmation for your records. Ensure the CRE details are correct to avoid processing delays, and payments can typically be made up to 3 business days before the due date. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.